What's up, guys? Check this out. So, this is what we all been fighting on my bike ride right here for the past week. Finding some stuff and some goodies. Finding a Chuck E. Cheese token and a pendant and a $20 bill on the ground. Let's go for the change. Yeah, let's see what we got. Move that out of the way. And that. Alright, so we got some nickels. Got a quarter. A few nickels, a dime, and a bunch of pennies. Let's see. Got a quarter. It's a 1995. What's the mint mark? It's Philly. A P. Philly. 1995 Philly. I'll take it. A few nickels. That looks like an old nickel. Right there. No, 1964 Philly. Or Denver. And the 2019 Denver and the 2020 Denver. Take it, just a couple nickels. Not bad. And dime 2014 Denver. Take it. It's the dime. Thought this was a weedy. 1960 Denver though. Just a penny. We have a 1998 Denver. Look at that one. Found it on the ground. Look at that after. 2008 Denver. 2007 Denver. What's this one? 2016 Denver. 2018 Denver, 2013 Denver, penny, 2019 Denver. Look at that one. That penny, man. That's clean. 1995 Denver on the back. That's ran over. Wow, just a penny that's been cleaned up. A metal complex. We have a 2000 and something. I think 2004 Denver. Things ran over. Wow, 2018 Denver, 2019 Denver, 2023 Denver, 2000 Denver, 2020 Denver, 1979 Denver. Yeah, just a lot of pennies. Alright, check this out. So a couple days ago, found a Chuck E. Cheese token and a penny on the ground. Look, they were both together. That is awesome. My first Chuck E. Cheese token of the year. That's my first Chuck E. Cheese token I found on my bike ride, I think. That's cool. Chuck E. rocks. That's cool. I'll hold on to this. It's a Chuck E. Cheese token. The stars, the Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. rocks. From 2014 with the guitar in the back. Chuck E. Cheese's 2014, a Chuck E. Cheese token. Hopefully we keep finding more of the Chuck E. Cheese tokens. That'd be cool. Maybe I'll have some fun and play games and eat some food there or something. And drink some soda. Who knows? That's cool. Got a Chuck E. Cheese token. Found my bike ride on the ground. I'll take it. Alright, what else we got? Just a penny. 2019 Denver. It's modern. Just a penny. I'll take it. Alright, and then, check this out. This, I don't know, it's a, I don't know, it's feet pendant, I don't know. I like it though, but I might hold on to it. Probably for a keychain or a pendant, who knows. I was in the street, so, who knows. I'll take it, I'll keep it. I'll put that. Check this out, we found it this 20 on the ground. Score, lucky day. 2013 series, found it yesterday. MI12775534B. Just $20. That's awesome. We made $20. I'll take it. Awesome. Keep finding more money. That's awesome. We got $20. Let's keep finding more money like this. That'd be awesome. Alright. That's the show. That's cool. Alright. Count up the change. So we had 25 cents in a quarter, 15 cents in nickels, 10 cents in a dime. That's 55 cents. And for the pennies, there's a bunch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 18 cents of pennies. 73 cents a change, almost 75 cents. That looked like an old nickel, but it wasn't. Alright. Awesome. 75 cents in cash, up to $1. Got a Chuck E. Cheese token, 2014. I'll take it. First Chuck E. Cheese token of the year. I hope we can keep finding more Chuck E. Cheese tokens. Wow. Alright. And this, whatever this called, I don't know. Alright. Guess the show could be this 20 that I found on the sidewalk. Look. Take it. Not bad. Hi guys. Huh? Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe.